presenters. I will be assisting in keeping track the time, so I will remind you for the last 3 minutes. Our first presenters is Ibu Dita Dwi Saputri, with the title is Innovation of Fun Education Teaching Module based on STREAM: Science, Technology, Religion, Engineering, Art, and Mathematics using Google Site Media to enhance students' conceptual understanding. Okay, Bu Dita, the time is yours.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, good afternoon, I think. Yeah, I'm nervous. Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. In this insightful occasion, I want to say thank you for the opportunity that given to me, so I can standing here to present my article with the title Innovation of Fun Education Teaching Module based on STREAM approach using Google Site Media to enhance student conceptual understanding. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dita Dwi Saputri, as a teacher at SMP Islam Al-Azhar 15 Cilacap. And then let's begin to our background of this research. Nelson Mandela said that education is one of the weapons that we can use to change the world. So we know if the education is very important to know, to present, and to the future, right? And then education is a complex process of the transfer knowledge, skill, and then a character. And then education also shapes the character and then prepare the students to shape the life or facing the life, and then prepare the student to ready compete in the society. And then there is a several factor that can be influence the successful in learning goals. The first is a teacher. We as a teacher, like the Ki Hajar Dewantoro said, Ing ngarso sung tulodo, ing madyo maun karso tutwuri handayani. It means we as a teacher, those in front of must be can be example to our student. Those in the middle must be rise a spirit, and those in the back must give the encouragement to our student. The second is the teaching model. Teaching model is very important. That is a tools that result or consist of the material that teacher use to deliver the material. So it's very important that we as a teacher can have the teaching module can effective to deliver the material. And then the third is a student. So our student is more about the zillennial generation or the ARPA generation. Also the generation is have the different condition with the previous generation. So we cannot say from now we cannot say like, oh, you is a smart student or you is a stupid student. We as a teacher cannot say like this. And then the fourth is learning aim, environmental condition, and learning sources. So according to the experiment or the experiment conduct in the senior high school at the Central Java, there are several problems that teacher have at the arrange about the learning module. The first is at the class, the lecture method is still more frequently used, and is most the teaching module employ are still printing modules, and then the teacher still encounter several challenge in preparing teaching module, and then students still do not have opportunities to develop their creativity and critical thinking skills using the printed of learning modules. So there is a need for the development of teaching module that address learning and the issue. The method that used in this research is R&D with the ADDI approach. So at the first step is analyze. So we is spread about the about the survey, so to know what is the student problem and then what is the teacher problem at the class. And then after we have the result from the survey, we will start to design the design. We will know what is the material that we want to being the teaching module, and then in this research is the material about the dynamic fluid. And then after design, analyzing concept and task, and then creating about the structure, developing the framework. After this, the next step is development. Development the online platform. In this case, is using Google Sites. Also, you can using another platform, maybe like microsite or any else platform, and then develop the teaching module. After you develop this, you can implementation at the class. Implementation using the teaching module that you develop. And then this is the characteristic of the teaching module. This is the example of and this is the science integration. The science integration basically is about the definition, about the concept relate with the material, and this material is about ideal fluid. And then you can put some picture, not just about the text. So for the student that have the visual learning can be see from the picture. And then this is the religion integration. So we hope as a teacher we can nurturing the student have the noble character. So we learn to the student not just about the theory, about the material, but also there are religion integration, because at the school all the student is Muslim, so I put the integration about the verse at the Al-Quran. And then this is the engineering integration. So we can engage the student to doing some practicum, also the practicum or any activity that can improve the student 21st century skill. And then this is the information about the technology related with the material. So we can put the Kilas Iptek in the module, so the student will know about the relation the material with the technology. So when they learn about this material, they will gain several concepts. There is science, and then also the technology, and then the religion, and then they will know the new knowledge, about the material. And then this is the example of the website or Google site that you can with. And then this is the art integration. Also at the art integration, I asked the student to doing activity like a drawing using Pilox. This is related to the continuitas concept.
3 minutes left.
Okay, and this is the result of the validation. And then this is the result of the readability, and then it's the teaching module is easy to understand, the practically. And then after this is the evaluation after we implementation the teaching module, so the student enjoy with the module, and then the student will know more new knowledge involved with the material, and then the student creativity can be improved. This is about the conceptual understanding. And then this is the conclusion. For based on the valid of the expert validation, the media which is developed based on the stream approach, teaching module is appropriate to usage. And then for the visibility is 85.4%, and then for the readability is 96.8%. And then for the conceptual understanding of student is increased based on the 3 indicator. I think this is enough from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Ms. Gita, for your amazing presentation. So I open the floor for the participants to give the question. Is there any? Okay, one. Okay.
Assalamualaikum, Miss Dita.
Waalaikumsalam.
My question is, do you use this Google site? Are you incorporate this Google site with the Pliff Learning? So let's say you ask the students to read it before the class, or you ask the student read it during the class or during the lesson. Thank you.
Okay. So please, Ms. Gita.
Thank you for the question. Yeah, so I ask the student to read during the class. Yeah, so the student access the Google site when the class, during the class, not before the class. So when I'm come to, I will ask the student before to bring a laptop like this to the school when I want to implement the thing using the Google site, and then I will give the link of the Google site, and then the student will ask. So the student will, I will determine about the activity that we're doing in this day. So the student will be focused about the part at the page, just several page. Yes. So not all. This are like this.
Okay, thank you for the answer. Is Ida? Okay, is another question? We have some time.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Mariam. How to assess the religion aspect in this learning? Because you mentioned as stream R is religion. I didn't see the religion aspect in this presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Yeah, thank you for the question. Yeah, so the religion aspect is more about the sikap seperti itu ya Bu. Jadi for the assessment, I'm doing the assessment. The first assessment is about the pretest. So there are include the religion at the question like this. So at the assessment, I put the religion integrated at the question like this. And then also I'm doing assessment with observing the student religion aspect during and after using the teaching module like this. So I have this is two rubric assessment, yes, but I can.
Okay. Is there any other question? It's okay. Okay. We have some time. Last question, I think. Is there any question from the other participants? Okay.
Okay, Ms. Dita, only one question. You have explained how the module is arranged to facilitate student with a more visual aspect of learning. But what about the student who are more keen on the psychomotor aspect of learning? How do the module can facilitate them? Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the question. So for the psychomotoric student, I facilitate the student with psychomotoric with using the practicum. So this is the integration with art too about drawing using Pilox itu Pak. Ya, so I asked the student to bring the Pilox and then doing the demonstration to draw the blocks, and then doing some activity like boomerang, and then they will calculate, and then they will calculate about the relation with the material like this, and then from the practicum.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for the Ms. Dita for the amazing presenters. Give applause for the students. And thank you for all of you for amazing discussion also. And then we will move to our next presenters.